In this question, he is saying let lambda belongs to R and let the equation E be this. Then the largest element in the set S is, and the set S is defined by this. The elements of S are x plus lambda, where x is an integral solution of E. First of all, I suppose this number as alpha. Once I have got the value of alpha, I will be able to find the value of lambda also. Therefore, the equation this becomes mod of x square minus 2 times mod x plus alpha equal to 0. And this means mod x is equal to 2 plus minus under root 4 minus 4 alpha by 2. This means mod x equal to 1 plus minus under root 1 minus alpha. And because mod x is integer and alpha is greater than equal to 0, because this was supposed as alpha. Therefore, only possible case is either alpha is 0 or alpha is 1, because mod x will be integer only for these two values of alpha. If I take alpha equal to 0, in that case mod x will become 0 or 2. And if I take alpha equal to 1, I get mod x equal to 1. This means the possible values of x are 0, 2 and minus 2, and these are the possible values when alpha is 0. And when alpha is 1, the possible values of x are plus minus 1. And this is the case when alpha is 0, and alpha is 0 means mod of lambda minus 3 is 0, that is lambda is equal to 3. And this is the case when alpha is 1, that is mod of lambda minus 3 equal to 1, that is lambda minus 3 equal to plus minus 1, that is lambda is equal to 4 or 2. Hence the possible values of x plus lambda are 0 plus 3, 2 plus 3 and minus 2 plus 3. And possible values of x plus lambda in this case are 1 plus 4, 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 4 and minus 1 plus 2. Hence clearly these are the possible values of x plus lambda. Out of all these values, the maximum number is 5. Hence the answer to this question is 5.